This is a travel film. In 5 weeks, I visited 5 different countries: China, France, England, USA, Mexico. Took 9 flights, 24 Ubers, 21 subway rides, and made unlimited memories. 5:30 Sunday morning, and we're all packed up. And we're good to go. The trip was already off to a rough start, as our first flight from Auckland to Shanghai was delayed by 12 hours, cutting into our already short time in Paris. To make life better, we got an upgrade to premium economy, parked up in the Coral Lounge, and set off for our first flight to Auckland. This was a trip of a lifetime for Sam and I. We'd never visited Europe before and had never travelled together for a long period of time. A bit of stuff went down trying to get onto our plane from Auckland to Shanghai, but I'll let Back in Time Matt explain what happened. So we're currently in Shanghai airport after our initial plane from Auckland to Shanghai got delayed by 10 hours. Then our Christchurch to Auckland flight, our new one, was delayed by 50 minutes. And then we ran from the domestic terminal in Auckland to the international terminal in Auckland to catch our plane from Auckland to Shanghai, and then that plane was delayed, and then we got to Shanghai and we went to check in to our flight with Air France, Shanghai to Paris, and they couldn't find our tickets, so we had to call a dude in New Zealand and get the ticket number, and it's been a rough 24 hours of travel, and now we're finally getting to relax a little bit before we embark on another 12-hour flight. So we're finally in Paris now. We're checked into our hotel room, we've had a shower, we've had breakfast. This is our view. Absolutely insane. Got the GoPro just down there, filming a little time lapse. And we're about to head off now to the Louvre for a couple hours. We've got a tour there, and then we'll take it from there. Our first day in Paris consisted of eating croissants, visiting the Louvre, and also the famous church Notre Dame. It's day 2 in Paris, and Sam and I are starting our day off by going... to the local patisserie to get croissants. Hopefully find a coffee somewhere as well. Breakfast time. This is the breakfast spot. So that place didn't really do breakfast, so we're heading to a different place now. We're just checking out where we need to be for our Eiffel Tower tour.
This is Louvre, so we'll follow near the original Notre Dame. Came back across there, so it's puddled around here.
So we just made it back from breakfast now. We're leaving our room and we're going on a tour of the Eiffel Tower.
Mesdames et messieurs, pour vos déplacements professionnels ou vos loisirs, nous vendons la carte Oyster pour les transports en commun.